right, well, I'm returning to my same camp here in the Sitgreaves National Forest after my little excursion to go visit Kelly for a couple days. It was really nice. Yeah, I think that'll work. Well, here we are waking up to another beautiful morning here in camp. Sun is shining, clear blue skies. Just beautiful. Really enjoying being camped in the woods here. Super peaceful. There is absolutely nobody else camped out here that I know of. I haven't seen any traffic on the forest road here. Just been me, parked to where I get a little bit of sunshine throughout the day, as far as not being shaded by the trees. Some sun on those solar panels. I've been using the diesel heater in the van to get through the cold nights, and it's been warm enough in the sun to turn the heater off during the day. Spent a little bit of downtime. It kind of came down with a cold. Had the big meet up there. Was around a lot of people. Then I went and visited Kelly, and unfortunately she is sick as well, so I think I gave her a cold. I feel like I'm on the upswing of mine. I took a few down days in the van and just took it easy. Watched a lot of movies and just rested up. So feeling better, so I'm gonna get out and try to get some exercise, get my bike going there. I gotta repair a flat on it and go see what's around here. Now there are some camp potentials back here. See another little spot off in the distance. Go look. Feel like I can do better than this. Check out some more. Well, I'm out exploring on the bike and realizing that I'm up at about 7,000 feet elevation, kind of getting a little more winded than usual. I'm born and raised at sea level, so kind of feeling it. But I have found a couple spots here that look like good potential camps. I like this one because it gets a lot of sun. Here with all these tall trees, I still want to be able to be in the sun to warm up and to get sun on the solar panels. And up here, this road dead ends. And this, to me, is a more ideal camp because it's more level, but it's quite a bit more shaded as well. Actually would get some decent sun if I parked like over here, or even right up and around here. That's a nice little shaded pull in there. That'd be a good summer spot. I may pull up in here and call this a camp, and then this will be my little cleanup project. Okay, we are gonna move camps. Moving day. It was right here. Ooh, this is a tight squeeze. I didn't realize it was that narrow. Excuse me. I think I'm gonna go back to this. Further spot here. A couple areas that do get some decent sun. Yeah, this was totally worth moving. Check it out. Okay, we're getting settled in at camp here. I'm really enjoying this spot so far. I'm so glad I moved. Just a little bit more secluded. Feels more like a camp. Got my fire pit set up here and my camp chair. Was out collecting a little bit of firewood. Found this down tree here. I was able to cut it up with my electric chainsaw. So we'll get a campfire going. Just a beautiful day. That sun is feeling so good. Got the bike out so I can do some further exploring. I am just going to kick back and enjoy this sunshine for a little bit. Ah, what a beautiful morning. Really enjoying this camp here. Feeling like cooking outside this morning, so I've got my camp stove set up over here on my table. Not sure what I'm going to mix up yet. I'm going to go inside, check out what I got. Okay, it is time to get breakfast going. I'm going to do up huevos rancheros. So I've got some pinto beans and pork that I made up the other day. I'm just reheating. I'm going to have those with it. And I need to get a couple corn tortillas going, cook up a couple eggs, and then I am going to be using a canned sauce. This is kind of a regional thing that I heard about. This is made in Colorado, and I've heard it's good from some locals, so I'm going to give it a try. Normally I would just use fresh tomatoes and onions and make my own sauce, but I don't have any of that, so I'm going to give that a try, see how it turns out. So see if I can make this all happen here together. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this, but... Okay, we got the Stokes Ranchero sauce heating up in the pan here. I gave it a little test. That stuff tastes good, that's for sure. Definitely a Ranchero sauce. Got the eggs in there cooking up. Oop, gotta turn that down. Now I just gotta heat up a couple tortillas and we'll be on our way. Okay, everything is coming together here. So we're gonna go down with a couple tortillas. Probably could have gone with a few more. And then in with our eggs. Try to cook those so the yolk is still a little runny. We've got our beans that I heated up. We have those on the side. Churro sauce, which is really good. All right, and there it is, huevos rancheros. That is a hearty breakfast there. Probably be skipping lunch today. Cut into those egg yolks. Ah, yeah. That's how I like it. Oh my gosh, that is so good. Dang. That is what I'm talking about right there. Whew. That ranchero sauce. I say that Stokes is pretty good. Dang, I gotta do this more often. No camping. It is unlawful to camp within a quarter mile of livestock, wildlife, waterhole, or trough. That means there must be a waterhole or trough around here. There it is. Okay, this looks like the trough here. I'd assume they're bringing this water up from somewhere else. Seeing this line here. They must be pumping it up. And ain't nobody getting a drink out of here. This is solid ice right now. Look at that. Yeah, you can see the little ball valve there, like in a toilet. Obviously not operating now because of the weather. Huh. How far down this road goes. That's what I love about National Forest. There's all these little roads here. You can just go explore. And again, this is shared public land. So I don't know exactly how it works. These cattle farmers, they must have to pay the federal government to have their livestock out here. Not sure how that works. Just got to make sure to close the gate behind you. There we go. That was a good ride. Right, tonight we're doing burgers. Got the charcoal grill going out here. I want to thank one of my viewers for the tip to use my cast iron skillet as a cover for my grill. Last time I showed it, I used a piece of tin foil. Of course, I was cooking something else in that at that time, so I'm not doing any other dishes in this skillet, so I can use it for a lid. It's a great idea. This is a wooden spatula I carved. Normally when I do my utensils, I usually give them a pretty good sanding. This was my first attempt to leave the carve marks to make it look more hand carved. Pretty happy with it. This wood is ash from the state of Maine on my Uncle Bob's land. It's got some spalting in it. I was happy with it. Just got to remember to use it more often. Kind of running low on ingredients here, so this is just going to be a simple burger. Cheese and onion, mustard. Yeah. We're doing up some cheesy broccoli with that. Steamed broccoli with a little cheddar cheese. Oh yeah, it's time to dig in. Check it out, it's like my little side table, but it also keeps my veggies warm. Ha! Thank you for being here, everyone. I appreciate you hanging out with me at this camp. I'm really enjoying it here. It's just such a beautiful area. I'm going to leave you a little extra clip at the end of this video and introduce you to my friend Patrick. I met in Quartzsite just a little while ago. He has a YouTube channel called Disabled Overland. So head on over and say hi to Patrick and tell him I sent you. Anyway, hope you're all doing well out there, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Peace.
Hello, my name is Patrick. I'm from North Carolina, but I was born here in Arizona. I'm on YouTube as Disabled Overland, and behind me is my rig. I'm 47. I do have disabilities, not permanent, but decided to get out, get some exercise, lose some weight, get healthy, and enjoy life while doing it. That's pretty much the whole spiel behind my channel. So yeah, I do the overlanding. Member of Overland Bound. My truck is a 2001 Silverado. I have a rooftop tent, have a ARB utility topper on the back, and have a ground tent when I'm in spot for long lengths of time. That way I can work on my computer without the sun beating down on my eyes and stand up to change, which is a big deal. Once again, my YouTube channel is Disabled Overland. I don't have a unique name yet because I've not got enough subscribers, but if you just search Disabled Overland, you can find me. There's a dragon behind a mountain is my symbol. I'm also on Instagram at Ryu_overland, RYU_overland, Facebook at RazorWalker, and Twitter at RazorWalker.